Konnichiwa. How are you today? This is Jun from Okinawa Wanderer. Let's enjoy Okiwan live casting tour in Toyosaki, Tomigusuku City. Okay, now we are at Oroku, still in Naha City. We towards Tomigusuku City, and we will show you Toyosaki district, which is the kind of very new town, landfill new town in Tomigusuku. Tomigusuku is next to Naha, and people sometimes confuse which is the correct pronunciation. How to read Tomigusuku or Tomishiro. I can say that both are correct, but some people say Tomigusuku is correct. Some people Tomishiro correct は言わない。でも there are many facilities with Tomishiro. クーラーにしてもいいんだよね。でもちょっと開けとこう。まあ今年初だよ。Today it's now 25 degrees. 暑いね。暑い。25. So we are going to turn on air conditioner. First time in this year. So for us and for camera. Okay. 後ろのね、ストーリー。And you can see right side something strange structure. This gray one. これはニューバイパスよね。New road. Elevated road. You can see the 何これ足下駄。Road foundation というこれ basement. And here maybe you cannot image. This is 瀬長交差点っていう。It's in crossing which you can go to Senaga Island. If you turn right this crossing and you go to Senaga Island. So this crossing changes so much, maybe while the last 10 years 10年ぐらいでもっと
短いんじゃないかな。
でもこれまっすぐ行けるようになったのって十何年前じゃん。And Tomigusuku was a village until 2002. Since 2002, Tomigusuku changed to city from village. 20年だね。And this over bridge on the ocean opened 2007ぐらいだよ。And you can see the huge storage in right side. This is the hottest topic in Okinawa. サントリーロジスティックスって書いてるね。This is a huge storage warehouse. That's the largest in Okinawa. 大和ハウス。あ、もう2つあるんだな。ゴルフ場だったっけ？埋め立ててたはず。This is the bridge Tomigusuku Road. It's going to Tomigusuku, and then also you can go to Itoman driving this road. The Tomigusuku city is the best growing city in Japan. Tomigusuku city won the best growing city title a couple of times. So very active city. And one reason is here, Toyosaki town. Toyosaki in Tomigusuku city. Okay, let's check out the Toyosaki. This is the landfill area. Robert-san, hello from Fort Worth, Texas. Hello, how are you? Today, like a gray skies, but still okay. 津鍋さん、綺麗になりましたねって。綺麗になってますよね。綺麗すぎる感じもしますけれども。OK、ここはもうね、already landfill round。This right side, 山田電機 electric shop, electric warehouse, and next one is Tomiton. Left side is the 足ビナね、アウトレットモール。Then this right side, Tomiton. We're surprised that Orion Beer headquarters moved to this building. 書いてる？ダイソー流房って書いてる。当たってるかな、情報。
これを右に曲がる。
これ右に曲がる。Until this road, you can see the river. This river was ocean.